Welcome back to the channel. Today we're outside. It's a beautiful day. We're heading to the workshop though, so we're gonna do a custom job on the trailer. Today, we're working in the workshop. Let's go inside. So a neighbor of mine has a sawmill, and I work there with him every so often. And I got some wood. These thin pieces were cut off the top of a board to make it level. Thought these would be perfect for the wood top. I gotta make them about the same height, sand them down, smooth them up, cut them into sections, and lay them on top of the trailer, and we're gonna make a nice custom wood top. I think it'll be pretty sweet. Let's get this bad boy outside. Halfway done sanding, you can really see the difference. Boards are starting to come to life. So after sanding them all, it's looking really good. But after butting them all up together, I was left with this gap on the edge. So created a smaller board to go in the center. Just like that. Just gotta sand it, glue them together. So I'm going to take it off now in sections glue them together, then glue those all together until I have one glued piece. After it's all glued, we're gonna stain it and then put some clear on it.
It's time to check out the results.
I think it's got a nice character, looks scale, and the stain definitely just gives it that one more step of realism. This mesh, you would never see this on a trailer this size. So I never really liked the mesh. Otherwise, everything about the trailer I really like. So I had to change it, make it custom. Now it's got that Ironside touch. All right, time to get the top on the trailer. Let's do it. Hey, girl. You coming with me to see the trailer? Are you excited? Let's go see the results, no? Let's go. Oh, coming right in. Come on. You just want some food, don't ya? Hey, guys. Come on. Good morning. There you go. Happy chickens. This trailer turned out so good. Loving the way this looks. Drop a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe. You guys know more and more's coming. Time to hook this bad boy up and load up some vehicles.